Hi angels, hi girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so geeked, I'm so excited today. I have a really fun video for you guys on Kurt Geiger. If you love Kurt Geiger bags, come on aboard, join the channel, hit the like and subscribe button. What are you waiting on? We're going to be talking about Kurt Geiger today. So I was excited because I brought out a couple of my Kurt Geiger handbags that I wanted to talk to you ladies about, and I'm going to be talking about a few of them today, but let me know if you want me to come back at a later date and do a Kurt Geiger handbag collection video. I did one for 2020 and we need to update that. We need to do a more updated version. So let me know if you guys want to see a Kurt Geiger collection video. But for right now, I have a couple of my beauties that I wanted to talk about. So the first one I wanted to talk about is this lovely Kurt Geiger Kensington crossbody right here. And the first thing that I wanted to talk about with Kurt Geiger is how affordable Kurt Geiger is. Kurt Geiger is so affordable, you guys. I would definitely say go ahead and pick up a Kurt Geiger bag or a couple of Kurt Geiger bags and add them to your collection if you don't have one yet. And the reason being is because a lot of the Kurt Geiger bags are leather. A lot of them are leather, and some of them, like this one, is nylon quilted. It's nylon quilted, and it does have some leather at the bottom of it right here. You can see on the edge corners or on the bumpers of it. It does have some real leather, but a lot of the Kurt Geiger bags are all genuine real leather. And I have to admit, I don't know where else you're going to go. I don't know where else you're going to go and get an all leather bag for Kurt Geiger prices. I mean, you know, if you watch my channel, I absolutely love Chanel bags, but Chanel bags are very pricey. They're very costly, you guys. We're not always, myself included, we're not always going to have Chanel money. So sometimes it's a little bit better to save and invest in an all leather bag like a Kurt Geiger bag. It gives you the same thing. It gives you basically the same thing that you could get with Chanel, you guys. It's all leather. Some of the Kurt Geiger bags are lambskin. Some of them are, you know, different textures of leather, but they're absolutely beautiful. For instance, also, there are lovely Kurt Geiger micro bags. Now, I picked up these Kurt Geiger bags, just some of them with all the lovely colors remind me of candy, you guys. So I did go ahead and pick up a few of the Kurt Geiger micro bags, and they're basically like card holders, like watts, like a wallet on a chain. So I have this lovely one right here. I have a couple of them, but I'm going to go ahead and do a quick little unboxing of this one with you guys. And you can hear the chain kind of rattling around in there. I'm going to just put my receipt over here so we could go ahead and take a look at this beauty. But what I like about the micro bags are they're going to be so fun for the summertime. So let me go ahead and just unwrap this one. And this is the way they came right here in these lovely Kurt Geiger boxes. So cute, right? And you can hear the chains rattling around in there to unveil this beauty. And this is the way she was mailed to me, you guys. That's the way it looks right here. So, so cute. And this lovely one, the reason I went ahead with it, classic black. You can't go wrong with classic black. And look at that lovely chain. The chain is such a beautiful lavender color. Just so, so pretty. Initially, when I looked at this just now, for a minute, my heart skipped a beat. It skipped a quick little beat because as I glanced at it, I thought the chain was gold. And I was like, did they send me a black and gold? Which it still would have been pretty if it had the gold chain like my crossbody right here. But look at that lavender purple color. That just looks like liquid. I don't know. It's just so, so beautiful. This is going to look so pretty in the summer months with some of my Crocs. You know how much us ladies, you know how much we love Crocs. This beautiful little bag with this beautiful purple color is going to look so beautiful with some of my Crocs, you guys. It's going to look so, so nice. You could wear them, the Kurt Geiger bags, with some of your Crocs. You're going to be able to wear them with your sandals. You're just going to be able to wear them and make them look so, so cute in the summertime. They just remind me of candy. The little Kurt Geiger micro Kensington crossbody bags. They're so adorably cute. And they can hold, I'm going to do a what's in my bag and what fits in these, but I want to say you could get at least a good 15 card holders, at least a good 15 cards, credit cards in this. It's going to look so adorably cute. You guys, if you haven't seen my croc videos, go back on my channel and take a look at some of my croc videos. You guys remember the croc videos when we did the giveaways? Those were some of my best and some of my favorite videos to film. I absolutely love the Crocs giveaways that we did on my channel. If you guys are some of my ride and dies, you've been with me for a while, you've been with me for several years here on the Lvluxegirl channel, you remember the Crocs giveaways when we were giving away Crocs and we talked about them. We talked about the gibbets for the Crocs. I love those videos. Part of the reason why I love those Croc giveaway videos was because my nephew was with me on some of those videos. I had him as a special guest on the Lvluxegirl channel, as well as we just talked about so many different things as we talked about the Crocs. If you watch some of the Croc giveaways, you remember that Raina was in some of those giveaways, and you guys that are my ride or dies, you guys know who Raina is. If you remember Raina, go ahead, do it in the comment box. Give her a shout out. Say, hey, Raina. And she'll be making an appearance soon in more of my videos. But yeah, definitely pick up some of the Kurt Geiger bags. They're really, really nice. Some of the Kurt Geiger micro Kensington card holder bags. They're going to be adorable. And you can use them in the summertime as a crossbody, as well as along with some of your other bags. Also, what I like for Kurt Geiger, and it's very affordable, is the shopping tote. This lovely shopping tote came in so many different colors for Kurt Geiger. It came in pink. It came in yellow. I even saw that Nordstrom and Von Maur now has this lovely bag in pink and in black. Initially, when I purchased mine, they didn't have the black color, but now they're doing this quilted shopping tote also in the black. So if you want to pick up this bag right here in the black, quilted version, now they have that available at some of the stores online. I would definitely recommend that you check out Von Maur. I absolutely love shopping at Von Maur. And locally, if you live in a town that has Von Maur, it'll be so easy for you to go ahead and pick up the Kurt Geiger bags, or you can just go ahead and order them online. This baby right here actually came from Von Maur from Iowa. Shout out my Midwest girls. This bag came from your store in Davenport, Iowa. I ordered it by mail and they mailed it to me all the way from Iowa. Or, like I said, you can go ahead into your store and make a trip and pick up the bags. But they're all available for you online. And this lovely shopping tote, I've used this as a work bag, ladies. You're going to be able to dump everything in them. You're going to be able to dump, you could put a water bottle in here. It could fit. A small tablet can fit in here. If you have a Samsung or whatever type of tablet, that'll be able to fit in here. Your planner can fit in here, as well as makeup. We got to have our makeup, lipstick, and eyeshadow palettes. So make sure you go ahead and check out all the lovely Kurt Geiger bags online. They're so, so nice. Another brand that I love is Rebecca Minkoff. Rebecca Minkoff also has very nice leather, just like Kurt Geiger bags. One thing that I love about Rebecca Minkoff, and go ahead and check out my Rebecca Minkoff bags on my channel. The Rebecca Minkoff bags, something sometimes that'll turn me on to a bag is the name of the bag. If it has a sexy name, I'm going to go ahead and like that bag. Rebecca Minkoff makes the Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Loves, as also she makes the Rebecca Minkoff Quilted Affair. Who doesn't want a bag titled the Rebecca Minkoff Love Quilted Affair bag? I know I do. Those are very, very nice bags as well to pick up. But for right now, I don't want you ladies to miss out on Kurt Geiger. So make sure you check out all those different stores, Nordstrom Rack, Nordstrom, Von Maur, and check them out for Kurt Geiger bags. I enjoyed this video. I had so much fun talking to you ladies. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Check out my playlist on Kurt Geiger bags, and I'll see you ladies soon in another video. Princess Wave. Bye.